Hello, my name is Chewy, and this is a brief review of our stay at the Arlo Wynwood Hotel. We had a quick stay of one night at this hotel in a standard king room with no balcony. The room was small, with just enough space to walk around the bed, but the room was well equipped with everything we needed. There are snacks and liquor in the closet, as well as a safe, and also more drinks in the minibar. The room was clean and the bathroom was sparkling and spotless, which I would expect from a brand new hotel. One thing to keep in mind will be the resort fee, which will be an extra cost at check-in, and the parking fee, which can add up quickly. We saved some money by parking on a street on the side of the building, which you can briefly see at the end of the video. The rooftop pool area is very nice and has a great vibe, as well as beautiful views with plenty of seating, a bar, and very hip cabanas. The outside patio area is a tropical oasis with all of that greenery. There are many areas great for working, lounging, and doing business in. With some events going on, some areas were in use this morning. The gym is well equipped and the yoga deck was very peaceful. Note that I tried to get to the yoga deck from the main door to the deck, but it was locked, so I had to go in through the gym to get to the yoga deck. Overall, we enjoyed our stay at Arlo Wynwood. The location was great, the room was clean, the bed was comfy, and the staff was friendly to us. And here we are walking to our car parked on the street. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing, or subscribing to this new channel. Thank you for watching.